Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you making of last minute New Year backdrop. Take a gold color sheet or any color of your choice. Write box and numbers 2020 on it and cut them. Take a paper, fold it into 4 equal parts as shown. Draw as shown. Cut it and unfold the paper. Do this in different sizes. Trace the different sizes of stars on the gold sheets. Cut them. Stick two-side tape on the back side of the stars. Now stick them onto the wall. The last minute New Year Eve backdrop is ready.